What is the best car battery charger in 2023? Here are my full reviews of the best car battery charger in 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Schumacher car battery charger. Schumacher is a very popular name when it comes to car accessories such as car batteries, jump starters, and even car battery chargers. Therefore, we are starting our list with the following car battery charger from Schumacher. In the first place, we have the Schumacher SC1280 1280. Compared to most other budget car battery chargers on the market, this is quite a decent choice since this is a fully automatic car battery charger with support for 6 as well as 12 volts car batteries. It can charge your car battery pretty fast with 15 amp rapid charge mode. And it can also work at 3 amps needed to maintain automotive as well as marine batteries. There is a microprocessor on the inside of the Schumacher SC1280, offering automatic adjustments for the amperage setting and supporting multi-stage charging. Thus, you can rest assured that the Schumacher SC1280 can safely charge your car's battery whilst extending its lifespan. The Schumacher SC1280 also has a digital display on the front with LED indicators to make the device more informative. Plus, there are button controls provided on the front for ease of use. Best features. Supports 6/12 volts batteries. Works at 15/3 amps. Backed by a 2-year warranty period. Supports AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries. Pros. One of the best options for a budget car battery charger. Digital display with microprocessor controller charging. Fully automatic smart battery charger. Number 2. TowerTop car battery charger. There are a lot of brands like TowerTop that offer a decent option for a car battery charger in the premium price category. But, only a few of these options are as versatile as the one present here. In the second position, we are putting the TowerTop smart battery charger. As we mentioned before, this is a premium range car battery charger with many great features. For starters, it offers a multi-amp rating ranging from 2 amps to 25 amps. So, you can easily get a rapid charging performance from this battery charger if your battery supports it. And this car battery charger is suitable for all types of 12 volts lead-acid batteries, whether it is a gel, AGM, or STD battery. The TowerTop Smart Battery Charger uses a 7-step charging program to ensure the perfect safety of your battery while it is charging. On top of that, it also supports desulfation, soft starting, reconditioning, and many other similar charging modes required to charge older batteries. The engine start aid feature on the TowerTop Smart Battery Charger will make your battery from dead to ready to go within just 120 seconds. Since this is also a smart battery charger, it can detect the connected battery voltage and select the perfect charging mode for your battery. Best features. Supports 12 volts batteries. Works at the 10th of February 25 amps. Backed by a 1-year warranty period. Comes with an LCD display to show battery parameters. Pros. Offers a high amperage rating. Detects the connected battery type automatically. Engine start aid feature to start a vehicle within 120 seconds. Number 3. CTEK car battery charger. While we are on the topic of premium car battery chargers, we must introduce you to the following option from CTEK. CTEK specializes in a lot of car accessories, especially the ones that are essential and can be handy in the event of an emergency. The CTEK 40206 MXS is yet another great option coming from the premium category of car battery chargers available on our list. This is a great option for standard 12 volts car batteries since it is based on the technology used by nearly 40 vehicle manufacturers all across the globe. The CTEK 40206 MXS has a built-in temperature compensator and voltage compensator that can ensure an effective charging performance in all weather conditions and prevent overheating of the battery. This charger can also determine whether your battery needs desulfation or reconditioning and apply the method to recover the battery up to its optimal state. There is a dedicated charging mode provided on the CTEK 40206 MXS for AGM batteries with preset float voltages and stage timings to offer an optimal charging rate for AGM batteries. From the outside, the CTEK 40206 MXS is completely splashing and dustproof. Plus, there are added safety features for reverse polarity, short circuits, and sparks. Best features. Supports 12 volts batteries. Works at 4.3 amps. Backed by a 5-year warranty period. Highly safe and secure battery charger. Pros. Most reliable option for a car battery charger. Comparatively most compact option for a car battery charger. Can charge the battery without disconnecting it from the car. Number 4. Ably car battery charger. Ably is also bringing a great budget option for a car battery charger on our list. It is also a versatile option designed to work with standard automotive batteries as well as heavier batteries with high voltage requirements. The Ably car battery charger is also a similarly cheaper option on this list like the one we saw before. You will be able to use this charger for 12 volts as well as 24 volts batteries. But, the amperage rating for both of these options is 8 and 4 amps respectively. It is also controlled by an intelligent built-in CPU to automatically control and maintain the charging current and voltage. Plus, it also helps to keep the battery temperature below excessive levels for the safety of the battery. The Ably car battery charger also offers a wide range of compatibility, offering support for AGM, EFB, MF, flooded, SLA, and even VRLA car batteries. There is a special pulse repair function available on the Ably car battery charger that can remove vulcanization and repair batteries that are slightly damaged. With that, you can expect stronger battery performance and the quicker engine starts once you start treating your battery with this charger. Best features. Supports 12/24 volts batteries. Works at 8/4 amps. Backed by a 1-year warranty period. Multiple layers of protective circuits included. Pros. One of the most affordable options for a car battery charger. Fully automatic car battery charger with an LCD display. Built-in pulsar repair mode to remove vulcanization. Number 5. Nexpeak car battery charger. Nexpeak is bringing yet another cheaper alternative for a car battery charger that can offer great performance for most types of car batteries. In fact, it is arguably the cheapest option available on this list. The Nexpeak car battery charger is certainly a car battery charger that offers many great features at such an affordable price tag. Despite being the cheapest option on this list, the Nexpeak car battery charger still offers a fully automatic charging mode along with smart functionality and a dedicated digital display to monitor the battery parameters. On top of that, this charger supports 10 amps charging at 12 volts, offering a rapid charging mode for standard 12 volts batteries. The Nexpeak car battery charger offers 8 levels of charging protection while you are using the charger. It includes protection against a variety of electrical anomalies such as overheating, reverse polarity, overcurrent, fire hazards, and many others. Thus, it is certainly a safer alternative for your car's battery. It also includes the popular pulsar repair feature that can detect the battery condition and apply a desulfation method if necessary. Using this charger is also pretty simple since you won't have to calibrate any parameters. Simply plug your battery into the unit and wait until the charger does the maintenance job for you. Best features. Supports 12/24 volts batteries. Works at 10 amps. Backed by a 1-year warranty period. High efficiency pulsar repair. Pros. Plug-and-play type performance. 8-stage charging protection. Offers quick charge at 10 amps.